Today I'm going to be trying on and reviewing this scallop dress from the brand Charmo. But first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for actually sending me this so I could try it on, test it out before you do. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so I'm just checking the size to show you. This is in a size extra large for reference. So don't tell me that this is not a cute swim dress. This actually looks like a regular dress. It's actually something that I would probably wear out besides swimming. So look at the nice ribbed material, the scalloped neckline. And then I do like that it has the one shoulder. So as you can see, it has the thicker strap on this side, the nice spaghetti strap on this side. And what I actually just noticed is that you could actually take that off. So if you don't want the strap, you could actually remove the strap. So let me just go ahead and unhook it here to show you. So if you only want to rock this dress with one strap, then you definitely can. You could remove this one right here. Another great thing about this dress is that it is padded. So it does have light padding on the inside. You can see this is what the inside looks like. But if you prefer not to use the padding, you could simply just remove the little pads. Let me show you the back side here. Although it does have that thicker strap, you could go ahead and adjust the strap here if you want to go ahead and make it higher or lower. And the adjustable strap is actually on both sides. I'm going to show you the bottom part here as well. You can see it's also scalloped, but one great thing about this is that it does have shorts underneath, so you don't have to worry about it flying around or you being able to see your bottom, because as you can see, it does have this built-in underwear onto it and they are secured. All right, so let's go ahead and try it on. Like I mentioned, this is in a size extra large for reference. So I'm going to go ahead and try it on. We're going to see what it looks like on. Okay, so I have it on. Take a look. Super cute. I absolutely love the one shoulder. I like that it is nice and flowy down at the bottom. So definitely hides the tummy area, but super, super cute, super flowy. This actually looks like a dress. So you could wear it out to dinner, wear it out as a dress, or wear it out to swim. So you could definitely wear this out on a date. You could wear it out. You could even wear it to the beach, wear it to the pool. No one will even notice that you're wearing a swim dress. It is super cute. Take a look at the back. And the great thing is that this is available in a variety of colors. So if you're looking for a new swim dress or something to wear out, then definitely check this one out. I'll leave a link down below and make sure to follow.